cake, but I feel like I could do this box right now. I'm gonna fold all the slits, because that's kind of what you have to do. Just poke all these tiny slits in the box. And then here we have a little box for the cake. Okay, pop. Let's see what else we have. We have these cake stands. So adorable. I feel like a cake right now, guys. Guys, totally, I'm gonna try to do a challenge. No instruction. But which color should I do it? Such a weird question. Don't go. I'm gonna do a white cake. And so yeah. I'm gonna make little circles. Okay, you guys. Oh, let's go my white. So let's go to all my stuff. Oh. I'm gonna roll it out with my roller. Ah, it's so sticky. Let's go back right to this. Gotta place it a little bit. Don't. You're not gonna go good. No, come back off. Nope. Right, so just flatten it. Ooh. I thought I could use this. My thing out. Okay, I'm gonna have to go like this, and then it's like regular cake, flatten it out on the cake. This is such a regular cake. This looks like a regular cake, except like the foam part. It feels so soft and like. Feels like you're actually spreading the cream like you would on a regular cake. So I'm just gonna go like that. Now this time, little mixture, you can stick to the cake. Don't forget, guys, do not put this in the oven. I mean, do not. I repeat, do not. Okay, bye, saying hi. Right this one, bye. I really think this tool is my favorite. Because it helps you do the cake. Do you want to join me? Okay, come off now. Come on, right, don't go. Feel like I can roll it on the cake. Oh yeah, I can. Roll it all over the cake. I kind of want to do it like it's my fingers a bit to like give it that texture. Since this white stuff sticks to everything else but the hands. Just gonna rub it. I feel like using your hands is better because you get like that texture that you want. Make sure to spread all that around. And make sure to get all these empty spaces all over here. You want it nice and cold. I'm gonna probably go over it so that. The cake. Come on, go on already. Come on. Now I'm gonna grab it. And I'm gonna do the rest with my fingers on this top. And make sure I'm gonna leave like this lump right here so it could like make sure it sticks on. And make sure it's like on top of the cake. And gotta make sure it's in the center. Honestly, I didn't actually need anything from home, only like a toothpick. And it's really, 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 really fun to do this. You guys could buy it on Amazon. I think Target. I think you could buy it on Target. I don't know. But I definitely need more white. Where's the white? Where's the white? Oh, here is white. Okay. So then after that, I'm gonna still keep on going. To make sure it looks like a regular paste cake. Make sure go all over it and then start going, forming it to go down. I don't really want to get the bottom because like then it'll be all like sticky. And what the hell? Wrap around with the clay so it could be sturdy and also for fashion and cuteness. Adorable. Do you guys think I should do one more? This one's very, very tiny, so probably, yeah. Just do it, cover it with this clay real quick. And make sure I get the bottom, but the bottom doesn't have to be perfect because it's gonna be stickers on. Then make sure I get this last layer. Oh, it looks so cute! Now I just gotta do the last bits of it and make sure I got everything flattened out before I do the accessories. Eek. Okay, you guys, I can't wait. I'm gonna do the eyes. I'm gonna grab my eyes. Okay. Right, my dog look for okay. Because there's something outside. Gonna put that cute little eyes. So adorable. And then let's see what I could do it with. I'm just gonna go like this and use it to pick. I'm gonna now grab my accessories, and I already had a plan for this. It kind of was like this stuff that I had in mind. So first I'm gonna grab these cute adorable butterflies and fold them in half. And so they could seem like they're flying over there. But I'm gonna grab my mini bake glaze. I think this helps it stick on. Put it right there. And let it stay. Then I'm gonna grab another butterfly, a big blue butterfly. And put some of this on. Put some of this on. And then I'm gonna grab and put that on. Then I'm gonna grab this piece. The clipper. There we go. And yay. Ooh, let's see what else cute accessories they have. They have an adorable wrap for the top. Look it, it's so adorable. I'm gonna put a butterfly right on the top. And grab me some of my glaze and cover the top with some glaze so I can stick some sprinkles on, which is glitter. Put it all on. Stick it back on. Then I'm gonna pour the loose onto my hand. There you have it, our own mini cake. Let's grab my box. Let's see if it fits on a box. In a box. You get it, but it does not fit in a box, but it does. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? And this little guy. Look at all cake, a fresh little cake. It's really, really fun and big. Let's see if I have any more accessories. Can't find my thing.